3, 2, 1.
Today we have our soccer championship for girls soccer. We have our AAA championship, AA championship, and single A championship here at Crump Stadium.
The game, it was pretty good. Everybody put up it was a good competition. So. What I like about soccer is how we team build and we create a new family.
For these kids, first of all, many of them, this is kind of for the seniors. They're the end of their career as soccer players. Some of them will go on to college, but either way, we want their career in athletics to end in a positive note, for them to have a good time in front of their fans, and to just celebrate what they're doing not only in the field but also in the classroom and their entire high school.
Yeah.